Okay, let me give you guys some more practice. So here, differentiate this. Find dy by dx of this. There are several ways of doing this. So, well, anyway, find dy by dx. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, visualize it as this. So to do this, it will give you this. But when you do it, visualize this here as this. 1 over 3 natural log of the bubble here. So when you differentiate this, it will be dy by dx equals 1 over 3 times, well, when you differentiate this here, it will be 1 over that bubble. Okay? Well, the bubble being this here. The bubble being that. So what's in here is x minus 1 over x plus 1. So if you look at this bit, whenever you have 1 divided by a fraction, whenever you have 1 divided by a over b, visualize it as 1 divided by a over b, and then well, when you divide, then you times the reciprocal. So it would be this. So basically, it basically boils down to you taking the reciprocal of this thing here. Whenever you have 1 divided by something, it's, well, basically looking at this bit here, you just simply flip this fraction upside down. Okay, that would then give you this. So look at this here. At the moment, my x minus 1 is on the top, so here it's at the bottom now. Okay, so it's basically this bit here is you flipping this thing upside down. Okay, and then you, so when you are here, if you differentiate it, it will give you this, but then you've got to times the differential of the bubble itself. So it's you using the chain rule. So you using the chain rule, now come, this bit here is really you using the chain rule. So hang on. So you using the chain rule. So when you come to this bit here, visualize this as x minus 1 here, and then x plus 1 to the power of minus 1. So now you can use the chain rule. Sorry, the product rule. So this bit here, visualize it as this. You've got one block multiplying this block here. So differentiate this, leave this the same, and then later leave this the same, differentiate this. So the product rule, the first part is differentiate this. Differentiate this. That will give you 1, and then leave this the same. So that's you leaving this the same. And then the second part is leave this the same. That's this, you leaving this the same, and then differentiate this. So when you differentiate this minus here goes down. That's this minus 1 here. Leave this the same. Leave this the same, and then this thing here gets minus by 1. Okay, and then and then what? It will then give you this. Then now it's just a matter of tidying up. By the way, this is a slow way of doing it. I will show you a fast way later on. And then now you so here you've got this times this, and then this block here. Remember, there's a plus here, so you can imagine this as being one whole block because they're all multiplying each other here. So hang on, visualize this here as one block here. So this times this, that will, well, hang on. Let me think of it. Hang on. So hang on. So when you are here, visualize this as a fraction. Turn it back into a fraction. That will then give you this. And then on this side here, you've got this block times this block. But then visualize this thing here as a fraction. So merge all these three together. It will then give you this. Okay. Hang on. And then take this minus out here. That will give you this. And then hang on. Oh yeah. And then visualize this here as this, and then times this here. That will then give you this, and then blah blah blah. If you don't understand it, try and press. If you don't understand it, press pause and think for yourself here. Okay, but it's basically this. You've got this, and this here. Later on, this times this, and then this times this, and then it simplifies to this, and then here you've got this thing. So looking at this thing here, you've got something over 3 times that same something times that same something. So these two would cancel out, giving you this. Okay, well, just think it through. Okay, and then the answer here will be this. Okay, a better way of doing it would be, hang on. So originally we started out with this here. I asked you to differentiate this. So a better way of doing it would be, well, whenever looking at this here, whenever you have natural log of something over another thing, that's the same as natural log of this thing taking away the natural log of this thing here. Okay, so this bubble here is the same as this bubble here. So this here will then become this. Okay, this is a much better way of doing it. And then that will then so this times this, and then this times this. That will then give you this. Okay, and then now it's really easy to differentiate, because differentiate this thing here, it will then give you this, and then differentiate this thing here, it will then give you this, and then, well, tidy up, and then it gives you the same answer. Okay, the second method is much better. Okay.